I'm Christopher. I am the founder and developer of a platform called Songcards for artists making digital products out of their music. And I rate Google Sheets 5 out of 5 because I love the collaborative nature of it and how accessible it is on the web. Yeah, so prior to Google Sheets, I was using Microsoft Excel, mostly on the desktop. But I found that when I migrated to Google Sheets, having it available on the web and easy to share with links and that sort of thing made it quite a lot more collaborative. The reasons I chose to switch over to Google Sheets is because it's web-based, so I can just load it up in the browser. It's easy to share and collaborate on documents on the web with my colleagues and my friends. And also I just really like the kind of the mobile apps and that sort of thing. It's very, very accessible and very, very easy to use. Onboarding Google Sheets into my business was very plain and very simple. I just simply used my Gmail account, logged into Google Sheets, and started creating spreadsheets right away. It was very, very simple to do. I recommend people just sign up and try Google Sheets. If you are on a personal plan, you can try it for free. It's just very easy to use. You can just spin it up. You don't necessarily need to download an app or anything like that. You can just get started by going to the Google Sheets website.